You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more confusing names that many mispronounce, including from Greek and history, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. For reference, in Greek it is said as Hestia, Hestia, but in English generally said as Hestia, meaning earth, Hestia. More videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.